Hey guys, Janie is here, the Mindfulness Coach. These are some of the books that have helped me get to a place of inner peace and true liberation. As a mindfulness coach, I really strive daily to live a balanced, mindful, love-filled life. And I've been going through my own transformational process, getting to know my true self and becoming my true essence and showing up that way as much as I possibly can. I've been on this journey for maybe 11 years or something like that. So these are some of the books that have helped me get to where I'm at. And I'm missing one here. I was just looking for it. It's called Waking the Tiger, and it's by Dr. Levine. So check that out. That's a good one for trauma. But you're going to see I have like a smorgasbord of stuff here. So this is a little bit of my library. This is really good if you want to learn about electromagnetic biofields and frequency and vibration. Power of Now is really great. This is like true mindfulness here. I love seeing the similarities in religions and things, especially when it comes to two of my favorite teachers here, Jesus and Buddha. You'll notice I have a Bible, and I study lots of different religions because I'm just a curious person like that, and I don't think I'm going to go to hell for it. This is a great series of books called Conversations with God. And if you haven't studied Carl Jung, if you're into psychology, I cannot say enough about his work, especially when it comes to anima and animus, which has to do with the masculine and the feminine. This chick is awesome. This is great. We all have a badass that lives inside of us, and she has a cool video, like a series of videos I think that go along with the book. This right here changed my life, okay? It's fat and thick, but if you really want true liberation, people, you might want to check this out. I studied a little bit about Christian mysticism, and because all kinds of interesting things were happening to me, and I was like, what? It's really great to know the basics of the chakras, especially if you want to live, optimally in terms of wellness and well-being. So it's great when you can kind of connect the dots to the body and the mind and all that stuff. It's really important for us to build resilience. This is great. I am huge on mindful parenting, and this doctor is like the best. She's fantastic, and we all need to get on the program with this, guys, because our youngsters are counting on us to lead the way. As far as relationships go, this book is essential. Every person needs to know their attachment style. It will change your life, especially if you use the information that you learn from it. Everybody needs to upgrade their emotional intelligence. This is essentially why we lack civility right now in the world. Yep. I love me some Einstein, but this right here, guys, awaken the genius. We all have a genius inside, all right? We need to awaken it. What we need to awaken is love. This is another great book. It's really old, but for those of you that are really into, mental work and stuff. So that's just a little taste of what I have gotten into, and it has really helped me in a lot of ways. So there you have it. I'll have to share more in the near future. Have an awesome day.